In least square method, we have learned how to calculate least square equation when even number is over there. So we have learned two types of the least square method, one when the numbers are in odd and when the number are even. In today video we will having if numbers are in odd but the numbers are more than 7, what to do. If numbers are in even, how to calculate. So we were having one question related to the odd number and one question related to the even number, just for practice of the least square method. So here I have taken the 2015, 2016, 2017, 18, 19 up to 23 is given, and this is the numbers of science student in a college is over there. In 2015 only 4 student was in science, in 2016 8 student in science, 2017 9 student, then 12. So it's an increasing form. So I have taken these are the 9 years, 1 year, 2 year, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a case of odd number is over there. So in odd number, just go to the middlemost number and getting this -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2, +3, +4. In case of odd number, you need not writing anything. Just go to the middlemost number. 1 minus 5 minus 4, 2 minus 5 minus 3, 3 minus 5 minus 2, 4 minus 5 minus 5, 5 minus 5 0, 6 minus 5 plus 1, 7 minus 5 plus 2, 8 minus 5 plus 3, 9 minus 5 plus 2. Second method, you should having addition of this, that is 45. So x bar may be 45 divided by 9, that is 5. So from arithmetic mean we are getting the division. Now x square required, that is 16, that is 9, that is 4, that is 1, that is 0, that is 1, that is 4, that is 9, that is 16. So the very first we want the total of y, that is 12 plus 9 plus 12 plus 11 plus 14 plus 16 plus 17 plus 26. So that is 117. And this addition is 0, sigma x is 0. Now 16 1 times, 2 times, 9 1 times, 2 times, 4 1 times, 2 times, 1 times, 2 times. So that is 60. And we required xy also. So the multiplication of xy, 4 multiplied by 4, that is minus 16. 8 multiplied 3, that is minus 24. 9 multiplied 2, that is minus 18. 12 multiplied 2, 1 minus 12. 0. 14 multiplied with 1, that is plus 14. 16 multiplied by 2, that is plus 32. 17 multiplied by 3, 51 plus. And 26 multiplied by 4, that is plus 104. So the addition of this is 131. So it's very easy, because this is a case of odd number is over there. So firstly we are having arithmetic mean or not having the middlemost number, we are getting the division. Now equation y is equal to a plus bx. Okay, so a is equal to sigma y upon n and b is equal to sigma xy upon sigma x square. So value of a, that is sigma y, that is 117 divided by 9, and that is 131 divided by 60. So 117 divided by 9, that is 13. 131 divided by 131 divided by 60, that is 2.183. That is 2.183. The question is 489. Question related to 489. 2.183 and 11.896 is over there. So some different may be over there. So we should check first 2.1833. 2.1833. Firstly, we can check this. First one is minus 16. Okay. 8 3 ja 24 minus value. Then 9 2 ja 18 minus value. Then 12 1 ja 12 minus value. Then 14 1 ja 1 14 plus value. 16 2 ja 32 plus value. 17 3 ja 51 plus value. 26 4 ja, so 131 is over there. So where the difference is over there, I should check. First one is 4 8 9 12 11 14 16 17 and last one is 26 is over there. Okay, so now 117, firstly we should check this also. 4 plus 8 plus 9 plus 12 plus 11 plus 14 plus 16 plus 17 plus 26. So 117 divided by 9, that is 13. Okay. So our YC is 13 plus 1.1833x, because y is equal to a value is 13 plus 2.1833x. Okay. So first one is 13 plus 1.18. Okay, 33 is not using multiplication. Minus 4. Second, 13 plus 1.18 minus 3. 13 plus 1.18 minus 2. 13 plus 1.18 minus 1. 13 plus 1.18 multiplied by 0. 13 plus 1.18 multiplied by 1. 13 plus 1.18 multiplied by 2. 13 plus 1.18 multiplied by 3. 13 plus 1.18 multiplied by 4. Okay. So the very first we have calculated A, that is sigma y upon n, and B, that is sigma xy upon sigma x square, getting the line of best fit equation. Now the calculation is over there. 1.18 multiplied by 4 minus 13. So 8.28. First is 8.28. 9.46. 10.64. 11.82. 13.00. 14.18. 15.36. 16.54. 17.72. If we will add all these, we will get there is 117. If question is asking that what will be in 2025, why 2025? So 13 plus 1.18, in 24 plus 5 is over there, in 25 plus 6 is over there, so we will multiply with plus 6. So the result will be 20.08. So in this manner we can having the forecast in the least square method also. So if odd number is over there, no problem at all, it's very easy in the odd number case to solve the least square method with shortcut method. It's very easy. Just you have to put the middlemost number, median number, and getting the deviation from median number or middlemost number, and then getting the square and xy is over there. But if even number is over there, suppose these are 8 years is given. If years are given 8 or suppose only 6 years is given, we are having a question related to 6 years. Suppose our that is given 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years is given. So number of years are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. So getting the arithmetic mean of this, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, that is 21. So x bar is equal to 21 divided by 6, that is 3.5. So getting the deviation, that is minus 2.5, that minus 0.5 minus 0.5 plus 0.5 plus 1.5 or plus 2.5. Another thing is this, we should multiply with 2 to get avoid points. So minus 5 minus 3 minus 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5. Now suppose the value of y is 80, 92, 1110, 130, 150 and 172. This is the value of y given. So firstly we are having the addition of this, that is 80 plus 92, againly 80 plus 92 plus 110 plus 130 plus 150 plus 172. So that is 734. And value of x square, that is 25, 9, 1, 1, 9, 25. 25 at 25, 50, 60 at 70. xy value is given, y is given. Now xy require, xy we require. So first one, 80 multiplied by 5 minus 400, 92 multiplied by 3 minus 276, 1110 multiplied by 1 minus 1110, 130 is multiplied by 1 plus 150 multiplied by 3 plus value 450, and 172 multiplied by 5, that is also plus value 860. So the result is 654. Now for getting a value, that is sigma y upon n, and b sigma xy upon sigma x square. So for a value 734 divided by 6 and 654 divided by 70. So first one is 734. 734 divided by 6. So 122.33. 122.33. 654 divided by 70. 9.34. So trend line equation will be 122.33 plus 9.34x. So equation will be 122.33 plus 9.34x. Okay. So x and value of a and b we calculated and written this. So this will be 122.33 plus 9.34 multiplied by minus 5, 122.33 plus 9.34 multiplied by minus 3, 122.33 plus 9.34 multiplied by minus 1, 122.33, 9.34 multiplied by plus 1, 122.33 plus 9.34 multiplied by plus 3, and 122.33 plus 9.34 multiplied by plus 5. We get the result of this. It's very easy. So 9.34 multiplied by 5 minus 122.33. So first value is 75.63. 94.31. 112.99. 131.67. 150.35. 169.03. If we will add all these items, it will be equal to 734. Now if you are to calculate about 2027 prediction is over there. So why 2027, that is 122.33 in 24, see 24 plus 7, 25 plus 9, 26 plus 11, 27 plus 13 is over there. You have to keep this in this form. Okay. So in 9.34 plus 13 is over there. So 9.34 multiplied by plus 13 plus 122.33. So the result will be 243.75. So in this manner, you can having the least square method, any type of the question related to the least square method on your paper, you can solve, whether the question are related with the odd number or whether the question are related with the even number. With the help of this 4 video, any kind of the least square method question is over there, you can solve this. So I think this video will be having beneficially for you to know how to calculate least square method, because this method is very important. So I have taken 4 video on the particular topic. Thank you once again.